Today we present. Do not confuse R410A gas, used for air conditioning, with the refrigerant gas Eco 410. Let's start by saying, that R410A refrigerant gas is known as a high-performance gas, originally promoted as environmentally friendly refrigerant, for not depleting the ozone layer. R410A is a replacement for R22 gas, only for the manufacturing of new equipment, and not a substitute for equipment that is already in operation. Although R410A does not deplete the ozone layer, it does have a high global warming potential, which means that increasingly stringent environmental regulations are starting to restrict the use of R410A. This is causing problems in some countries for its commercialization when it's needed to recharge or replace R410A in systems that are already in operation. Due to its reputation as an eco-friendly gas, there may be confusion between R410A and Eco 410 when making a purchase. Eco 410 gas is not R410A, on the contrary. Eco 410 is a flammable mixture developed with hydrocarbon gases propane R290, and ethane R170. Eco 410 has the same components as the R511A mixture, but in different proportions. Eco 410 is promoted by its manufacturer, as a replacement for R410A. However, the flammability level of hydrocarbon mixtures like Eco 410, should be taken into account when considering its use, as a substitute in equipment that is already in operation. According to ARI, remember that it is not recommended to substitute gases, with different levels of flammability, without the manufacturer's authorization for the equipment, where the new gas will be used. Eco 410 has many advantages, and is characterized by 1. Excellent performance, under high and extreme ambient temperatures, created by the company EcoFreeze, with a global warming potential of only 3, and it does not deplete the ozone layer. 2. Rapid cooling effect. 3. Acceptable energy efficiency. 4. Eco 410 is compatible with all common lubricants, mineral and synthetic oils, POG, and PO. 5. Eco 410 operates at lower pressures than synthetic refrigerants. 6. If authorized by the manufacturer for safety reasons, Eco 410 can be used in compressors designed for R410A. 7. Eco 410 is compatible with R410A heat exchangers, expansion devices, and common refrigeration lubricants and materials. 8. Some alternative systems may be challenging to adapt to conversions, especially when pressure is used for system control in certain inverter devices.